What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a great Memorial weekend. If you're new here, my name's Greg, and today we're making us some fried catfish. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up this catfish. I hope y'all are having a good Memorial Day weekend. It's not quite Memorial Day with the day before, so I'm not cooking hamburgers and hot dogs quite yet. That's tomorrow. But we got us some catfish. Also, I've been thinking about doing like a catch and cook video. Maybe go fishing and bring back what I catch and cook it. Let me know if y'all would be interested in that. But here we got us some catfish. I like to cut mine into like little nuggets. That's how I like to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get me little strips, as so. Get these out of the way. Come on, there it is. Get your nice little strips, about like that. And I like to cut them up. About that size, right there. I love me some catfish. Probably one of my favorite, close to one of my favorite fish, but I'm a big fish person, so love seafood. Yeah, about like that. And we're gonna do this to the other few. Go ahead and get these all filleted up. Then we're gonna go soak them. Get them ready for the cornmeal. Get them ready for the good part. Alright, now I got them all chopped up into the bite sizes that I like. I like to get me some milk. Go ahead and pour nothing crazy, just a decent amount of milk in there. Get your pieces, throw them in there, let them soak. Get them in there. Alright. Let this soak for a few minutes, kind of absorb, and then while that's soaking, go ahead and grab me a napkin, and then I'm gonna get my bread ready. So I really like this cracker meal. I go ahead and pour the whole thing in a bucket. And then I use Killer Hog's Offshore Buttery Seafood Seasoning. It's really good with this. But whatever your favorite fish seasoning is, go ahead and mix it in there. I'm not shy, so I do a generous amount. And I look for like a nice mixture color, whatever that mixture color is. Like that. I think I could use a little bit more seasoning. Not much more, just a little bit. About like that. Yeah, that's a good color. That's a good color. So now we got our mixture. Let that catfish. Got that mixture. Now I'm gonna let that catfish sit in that milk for a little bit, and then we're gonna dip it in there and get our tray ready, and then we'll get to the frying. Alright, and I also forgot, I'm gonna add a little bit of Creole seasoning. Add a little spice to it. Not much, just like that. Mix that on up. Yeah, that looks good. Add that to our batter, and here in a minute we're gonna get to battering them up. Alright, now we got everything ready. We'll go ahead and get our catfish. Throw a couple pieces on in there. As so. Let me give it Get a good mix. Threw 5 pieces in there, so I should have 5 pieces coming out, right? Simple math. Yeah, that's the size I like. Little bite sizes. That's good. Good breading too. That's 4. That's 5. Alright. Go ahead. Add a couple more in there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and rinse and repeat. I like to just hold it, tilt it sideways, just shake it a little bit, and it rotates it pretty perfectly. Give it a couple more flips. Take her on out. Look at that. That's some good breading. But yeah, so I'm going to rinse and repeat this process. Get a good look at them whenever I take them out. Yeah, that looks good. Look at that. Do that, and we're going to keep on doing that until all of them are done. All right, so I got excuse me, I got all of them battered up, and they look great. So now the next step is to do, so let's go get the greaser up and running nice and hot. And then a little tip, save your batter because we're about to need it here in a second. All right, so we got us a nice little greaser, not a greaser, a fryer. Got us a nice little fryer. And the cool thing on here, we got us some peanut oil. And what we're gonna do is there's a little minimum line and a maximum line. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up to the maximum line once I get this open. There it goes. Yep. All right. I got mine on the max line. Yeah, peanut oil is really good for catfish, so that's what I like using. Alright, so it's going to take about the whole thing. We're just below the maximum line, but what I like to do is get you one of these. We're going to set it down in there. Should be enough. Should be enough. Go ahead and set that up. Crank this puppy up to 375. Let her heat up. Alright, so remember how I told you to keep the batter? This is a little tip. Get you a small little pinch, like a real small little pinch. But you sprinkle it in there. And if it's not sizzling or bubbling and doing whatnot and hearing it crackling and popping, it ain't ready. So it ain't hot enough. So we're gonna sit here, let it keep on getting hot enough, and then test it again. Alright, now that the oil's getting real hot, just grab your little pinch. Oh yeah, she's ready. So, what I'm gonna do, get my baskets, throw me some couple pieces in there. Probably about 5 pieces. 5 per basket. It's gonna be good. Catfish is one of my favorite. Maybe on these smaller pieces I'll do 6 in this one. Alright, so now go ahead and get them ready. And we're gonna dump them. Go ahead and wiggle, drop and wiggle. So now I'm gonna sit here and let them cook, and then whenever they start floating, they're ready. So we'll wait till they start floating. Shouldn't be too long. All right, so now they're starting to float. Spent a little bit of time actually. Look at that golden crispies. Nice golden crispies right there. So now got them out. Go ahead and dump them over here. Dump them on a plate. Same thing this side. Go ahead and dump them out. Let's get our next batch rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing. Go ahead and get them over. And they don't take long. Since I cut them up like this, they do not take long to cook, and that's kind of why I like it. All right, go ahead, dunk, give it a little shake. Anything over here, dunk, give it a little shake. Let them cook. Got this paper towel. Oh yeah, those feel great. Ooh, hot. Look at that. Put those over there. Now we're gonna wait on this batch. Alrighty, starting to get them to float. Oh yeah. Look at those. Oh my gosh, those look great. Come back over here, set this up. This batch took a little bit longer, of course, because these cooled it down. You know, you put stuff in something that's hot, it's gonna cool it down if it's not the same temperature. So your second batch, third batch, they're gonna take a little bit longer each time. Got those done. Ooh, that's hot. Go ahead, give it a little pat. Come over here. These catfish are gonna be so good, so flaky. I'm a big fan of catfish. Some people do not like catfish. They're like, oh, they're bottom feeders. Whatever, they're good. I don't care what you eat, as long as it's good whenever I eat it. But brim's real good. I just love fish, all fish, really. Okay, there's some big pieces in this one, so throw a little small one in there. Got room for another small one. All right, go ahead, give it a nice little dunk, little shake, dunk, little shake, and we'll let them cook. Alrighty, batch number 3. Looking delicious. How about that, huh? Gonna lift that up. Do a little dump and pour. Boom. Boy, what? That looks so good. I love catfish. They're so easy to cook. Yeah, I think next time I do this, I'm gonna do like a catch, clean, cook with fish. That'd be fun. Go out there, catch them, come back, clean them, and cook them. That'd be really fun. Alright, put these in here. It's our last batch going in. Here we go. There we go. Gonna let these cook and get to it. Alrighty. Got them all done now. Go ahead and clean that up a little bit. I like a clean work area. Get our own up out of there. Do a little dump. Go ahead and turn this off. Just like that, so. Dump. Look at that. And that is how you make some fried catfish. Go ahead, dry these off. Y'all want a little sneak peek? Here you go. Alright, let's get these plated up and see what they're talking about. Alright, time to plate these puppies up, and I love how these turned out. These are what you call golden crispies. That's what I call them at least. Get me a couple pieces. Yeah, just like that. Get me some ketchup. Big fan of ketchup. And then it's time to dump in and try all these off. Alright, let's jump into it. Let's try it without no sauce first. Unreal. Look at that, nice and flaky. Stupid. I mean, you can have this with tartar sauce. You can have it with whatever kind of sauce you want. I prefer mine with ketchup. That's how I like it. That's stupid. I could literally eat every single one of these right now. That's so good. If you like a little Cajun seasoning to it, I added me some Creole, but the other sauce gives it that nice, like, buttery, seafoody, just some really good taste. But I like a little spice to mine, a little down south, a little Louisianan added to it. So that's how I make my fried catfish. Hope y'all had a great Memorial Day weekend. Nice little long weekend, a little rested up. Hope y'all had a good time, didn't party too hard. Hope y'all liked the video. If you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see y'all next time.